Lessen your snoring with tips that work well. You can get the restful sleep that you have dreamed about, but you need to know how to handle your snoring. You don't have to watch your sleep, health and peace of mind suffer anymore, as you can apply the ideas in the following paragraphs for relief tonight. If you would like to stop your snoring, have a look at the pillow configuration that you have on your bed. The higher your head, the less likely you are to snore. Ergo, it is best to either invest in a thicker pillow, or to consider sleeping on multiple pillows to give you the head leverage you need. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. If snoring has become a nighttime concern, then it is time to give dairy products such as milk, yogurt or cheese a miss before you go to sleep each night. This is because the dairy products can cause mucus to build up near your breathing passages, and this will trigger off snoring. To stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. To keep yourself from snoring, eat your largest meal of the day at least a few hours before bed. If you hop into bed with a full stomach, it will apply pressure to your diaphragm, pushing it up and narrowing your air passageways, and making you snore. Eat earlier so you can digest your food, and not snore. To deal with snoring in a relationship, it's important to communicate honestly with your partner. If your snoring is keeping your significant other awake at night, the frustration can wear on both of you. Work together to find a solution to the problem, so you can stop snoring and strengthen your relationship at the same time. You probably have people who care about you very much, so treating yourself properly is not only important for you, but it's also important for them. Snoring can affect your health, and resolving snoring problems can help you prevent serious disease. In addition, snoring isn't difficult to treat. So it's definitely worth it to do something about your snoring problem. Hopefully, it will all work out. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.